First, power cycle your equipment. Unplug both your Lorex camera and your router for about 60 seconds. Then plug the router back in and wait for it to fully reboot before plugging the camera back in. Ensure the camera is within range of your Wi-Fi network. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength at the camera's location. Walls and obstructions can significantly weaken the signal. Confirm that your home internet is working correctly by testing other devices connected to your network. A simple internet speed test will verify if you have a stable connection. Finally, double-check that the camera is properly plugged into the power source and that the Ethernet cable, if used, is securely connected to both the camera and the router or switch. A loose connection can cause intermittent connectivity problems. If power cycling and signal checks don't solve the connectivity issue, your camera might have an IP address conflict or incorrect DNS settings. Access your Lorex camera's settings through the Lorex app or web interface and look for the Network Settings section. If your camera is set to obtain an IP address automatically using DHCP, try assigning it a static IP address outside of your router's DHCP range to prevent conflicts. Next, verify the DNS settings. Try using Google's public DNS servers, which are 8.8.8 and 8.8.4, or Cloudflare servers at 1.11.1 and 1.0.1. Incorrect DNS can prevent internet connection. After making these changes, save the settings and reboot the camera. This should resolve most IP and DNS-related connectivity issues.